Sometimes finding healthy breakfasts is tough, but I got you covered. Let's go find some good ones, all right? Okay, so one thing I'm real big about is staying ready. One way to stay ready and hit your protein goals is to start off your mornings with a great breakfast, high protein breakfast that you can eat on repeat. But the other thing, you don't want to eat the same thing over and over again. I don't like eating the same thing over and over again. I'm sure you don't either. So what I'm gonna do in this video is show you some options that you can use. Get these options, keep them in stock, and then you can rotate them throughout the week. Try to make sure you're hitting around 30 grams of protein at each meal. It's a great way to start off your day. Try to hit your protein goals. Plus, it helps fill you up. It can get you to lunch, and it'll keep you from snacking throughout the day as well. So try to get as much protein as you can in the morning, because then in the evening, you won't have to worry about, oh, have I hit my protein goals? Now I got to do this, do that to try to hit my protein goals. So keep some of these options in stock. Let me know if you use some of these options. What are some of the best options that you like to use? Help you stay on track, but start the day off right with a lot of protein, and it's going to taste good. All right, so let me show you some of these options right here. One great way to start off your day is with cereal. I love cereal. Been eating cereal since I was younger, but now they have so many different options of cereals. Now with cereal, I like to get fiber as well. So you need to try to get some fiber in your diet as well. So some of these options are going to have some fiber. Let me show you some of the cereals that I found that have a good amount of fiber. They also have protein. All right, so let me show you some of the cereals. Let me know if you've tried some of these. What are your favorite flavors? Or if you have some cereals that you can recommend as well, because it's an easy way in the morning to get your protein, all right? So first up, this right here is Kashi GO. 10 grams of protein plus 10 grams of fiber right here in one serving. All right, and this stuff tastes amazing. I have it right now. I've had it a few times last week. It is great. You can have it dry or you can have it with milk. So just measure out one serving and take it with you. You can like a yogurt topper if you want to as well, to add some more protein, some more fiber to your yogurts. But this one right here is really good. They also have a chocolate flavor. They have different flavors that you can try. But have you tried this right here? Let me know in the comments if you've tried this, okay? Now with all these cereals, I like to go with Fairlife fat-free milk. This is just the one I like to go with, all right? 1 cup of this is gonna get you an extra 13 grams of protein. So get you some cereal, put 1 cup of Fairlife milk in there, and you're already on your way to your protein goals, all right? Now, one of my other cereals I like to eat that has protein plus fiber is this right here, Catalina Crunch. You know about these Catalina Crunch? Let me know in the comments if you get down with Catalina Crunch, all right? It is really, really good, okay? Now, 1 serving of this has 9 grams of fiber, okay? So that's pretty good in the morning, 9 grams of fiber, plus you're getting your protein. You're getting 11 grams of protein in here, okay? So you have this, 1 cup of that Fairlife milk, there you go. You're already on your way to hitting your protein goals. Now, next up, if you don't have much time, but you need a quick breakfast idea, I highly recommend you have eggs, all right? I have eggs all the time, but keep some of these in the fridge, all right? When you don't have time to cook eggs and you got to hit the road, take these with you. These right here come in clutch, all right? Just grab you 2 of these yogurts, split them in half, throw some seasoning on top, and you have your 12 grams of protein right there, all right? So what I like to do is take something like this, and to get some more fiber in, I like to grab these right here, okay? These Keto Bagel Thins, I've talked about these before. These things are great. Even if you're not low carb, you gotta try these. These things taste amazing, all right? They're very soft. 1 bagel thin has 16 grams of fiber in it. All right, come on now, you cannot beat that, okay? So you got your eggs, you got your bagel thin. Now, if you don't wanna go with the Keto Bagel Thin, that's fine. Thomas also makes these English muffins. If you want to go with a muffin style, these things are great too, okay? So 1 muffin is 100 calories, 1 gram of fat, 26 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fiber, all right? And 4 grams of protein, okay? If you want to get down with the muffin, go with these right here. These are on the lighter side, but you can do this or you can do the Keto Bagel Thin. Let's look at the calories on the Keto Bagel Thin too, okay? So 1 bagel thin is going to be 80 calories, 2.5 grams of fat. We're looking at 18 grams of carbs, but has 16 grams of fiber, okay? So really it only has 2 net grams of carbs, okay? And 1 Keto Bagel Thin has 9 grams of protein, all right? You can't beat that, okay? So if you want a bagel, go with this. If you want a muffin, go with this one, all right? It's up to you. However you want to roll, however you want to get down, whatever your diet calls for, go with something like this, okay? Now on the top of those bagels or the muffin, I cannot recommend these 2 items enough, all right? Some hot honey. If you get down with honey, try some hot honey. If you don't like hot honey, just go with some regular honey, okay? But keep some honey in your kitchen. Keep it in your house, all right? I use honey all the time, all right? On my bagel thins, I use it on my yogurts. I use it all the time, all right? So, but hot honey is great. It gives it a little spice, okay? Now, another option that I always recommend you go find, you keep in your fridge, but you have to measure it out, is of course this right here. I recommend this in all my videos because it is so good, all right? You got to try this. I'm trying to tell you, measure it out, 1 tablespoon of this right here, this 4 fruits jelly. Put it on them bagels, put it on that muffin, and I'm trying to tell you, I'm not gonna lie to you, it tastes great, all right? You're gonna be wanting to have this every single morning, okay? You can also add this to your yogurts It tastes great in yogurt. I just mix it in there, gives you a little sweetness. It is really good. Okay, so check this out for sure. Now with these breakfasts, I can also highly recommend you go with some type of cottage cheese. Okay, now these right here, these Daisy cottage cheese, one container, one of these small containers has 17 grams of protein in it. Okay, so you don't have to get Daisy, you can get Good Culture. There's plenty of different brands. I'm trying to, this is a cheat code. If you're trying to get your protein up, these are a cheat code. I keep these in stock. Okay, I have one probably once a day. I have cottage cheese almost once a day just to hit my protein goals. You're going to get you anywhere between 13 and like 20 grams of protein. It depends on the cottage cheese that you're eating and the amount that you're going to eat. Okay, so but these are a cheat code. Grab you one of these. You can have it. It's a quick snack. 17 grams of protein, so easy. Add it aside with those eggs and an English muffin, and you got your protein packed breakfast right there. All right, I'm trying to tell you, these are quick and easy options to hit your protein goals, to start your day off right. I got you covered. I'm trying to tell you, all right? Another quick cheat code for the morning, if you don't have time to cook, are these right here. These yogurts. Go get you some of these yogurts, keep them in stock, whichever brand you want to go with. These right here have 20 grams of protein. Ratio, which are my favorite, have 25 grams of protein. They taste amazing, whichever one you want to go with, but keep these in stock. All right, they are such an easy way to get your protein. It makes it just so simple. All right, you just carry these with you. You can carry one of these and one of these. All right, bam. That's a high protein breakfast right there in 2 little containers. All you need is a spoon and you're good to go. I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to show you a little cheat code ways to hit your protein goals first thing in the morning. All right, so let's say you're driving to work, you can't have one of those yogurts because you can't sit there and try to eat it with a spoon. Just go grab you something like this. All right, now Chobani makes these. Okay, 30 grams of protein in this drink. All right, 30 grams of protein. You can have this on the way to work. You're taking the kids to school. You need something just quick in the morning because you're trying to hit your protein goals. You don't want to be starving. You need to start your morning off right. Grab you one of these. They have plenty of different flavors, but I mean, these are so simple. Grab a quick breakfast. No more excuses, all right? You're not going to skip breakfast anymore. You're going to at least get your 30 grams of protein, okay? So grab you one of these. And if you don't have those yogurts, of course, you can always go with Core Power. These right here, these are great. All right, let me know if you've tried these. These are great. This is the strawberry flavor. Now this bottle right here, 42 grams of protein. All right, easy way to get 42 grams of protein on your way to work or taking the kids to school or whatever you got to do. All right, you're on the go. You need a quick breakfast. Have you one of these. Keep these in stock. Okay, they have chocolate, they have vanilla. This is the strawberry. They all taste amazing. Whichever flavor you want to get down with. I'm trying to tell you, these Core Powers are amazing. Now, get you some protein first thing in the morning. Start your day off right. All right, come on now. Okay, guys, there you have it. There's some quick and easy ideas for breakfast to help you hit your protein goals first thing in the morning. Keep these items in stock and kind of rotate them throughout the week so you're not eating the same thing over and over again each morning, okay? So these are items I like to keep to help me hit my protein goals first thing in the morning. All right, so I'll start the day off right. I'm not starving and I know I'm staying on track, okay? So use some of these options. Let me know in the comments what are some of the options you like to go with first thing in the morning to start hitting your protein goals and to help you stay on track, all right? Because we can really throw off the whole day first thing in the morning, either by skipping breakfast completely or by eating the wrong stuff for breakfast. So use some of these options, keep them in stock, and you just mix and match throughout the week. Starting off your day right. You stay ready, you don't have to get ready, right? So I'm trying to show you some items that you're gonna stay ready with. You're gonna wanna keep these items. They're gonna taste great. They're gonna help you hit your goals. Let me know if they're helping you out. Let me know what you like to use as well. And I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.